Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD CAM Training. Today, I'm gonna show you how to design an ashtray. First choose the top plane, sketch, and make it normal. Now select the circle, and draw it from the origin point. Now choose the smart dimension, diameter 110 millimeters. Make the circle construction geometry. Now draw a polygon of side 3 from the origin point. Now select the base of a triangle, and circle and make them tangent. Go to Relation, select the baseline of triangle, click on Calculate, OK. Go to Fillet Command, radius 25 millimeters, and select all the 3 vertex of the triangle. OK. Now go to Features, select the Extrude Boss, 30 millimeters. OK. Select the top face of body, and choose the Shell command, click on the Show Preview. Choose dimension 12 millimeters. OK. Select this face, sketch, make it normal, choose the slot command, and draw it like this. Now choose the smart dimension, and height of the slot at 22 millimeters. And width of the slot 12.5 millimeters. Go to Features, Extrude Cut, and select Up to Surface, and choose this surface, OK. Select the front plane, right plane, and select the reference geometry, and choose the axis, OK. Choose the Fillet command, of radius 5 millimeters, select these 2 edges of the slot. OK. Go to Circular Pattern. Choose this axis. And pattern the Extrude Cut 1. And Fillet 1. Select the geometry pattern, OK. Now hide this axis. Go to Fillet Command. Select this face. And this face of radius 5 millimeters. Then OK. Again go to Fillet Command, radius 1 millimeter, and select the outer edge. OK. Now select the Fillet command, choose the inner edge, OK. Now our ashtray is ready. Now we will give material appearance. Select metal, steel, and double-click on polished steel. Now select the fillet 4, fillet 3, circular pattern, and extrude cut, and all the outer face of the ashtray. Go to Material Appearance. Organic. Then Wood, choose Mahogany. And double-click on Polished Mahogany. Now our ashtray is ready.